Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Only today a very quick look at BTC because we had very nice price action that could give us some very strong trades. If you like the content, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share the video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, links are in the descriptions. And without further ado, let's start diving into the charts. BTC USD here on the 4 hour, and the most important one is that what I want to show you is that we have a very nice bullish divergence on the 4 hour. As you can see, price is going lower and here the momentum wave is going higher, green dot, so this one is confirmed. I do expect to have this some follow through. Also with this drop down, we are taking out the liquidity here. That's very nice. We still have the liquidity here and liquidity here on the bigger time frame, and then I'm talking about multiple days, next 2 weeks ish. I am still bearish and I still think we can go lower, but as I said in yesterday's video, don't be surprised if there are 1 or 2 green days on our way down. Two important things before I'm going to give you the trades. Here we now had a point of control at approximately 17,000. I actually expected it yesterday that it will drop to here at the golden pocket, where I also have the yellow line at approximately 16,500, 550. There is already the point of control on Bybit. So depending a little bit on the exchange, for most of it, it is now underneath. In other words, this is then now a very nice support, but I put the yellow line as a high volume node. And then underneath we have the value area low, which got tested and then we bounced off. Also on Bybit was a little bit lower, and then it was actually exactly then from the value area low. So super nice trading. Like I said, I do expect this to have some follow through. Why? It is on the 4 hour. Usually that gives us some kind of a reaction, some kind of trade. Just actually as we have seen here. Price is going higher, momentum wave is going just slightly lower. Unfortunately I missed this one, but this one I will not miss. So I am planning on entering a long. I haven't done it yet because I missed this bottom move. That was my nighttime since I'm right now in Asia. So we went lower, we kind of right away spiked higher, signaling that there are buyers in the market. On the indicators also looks pretty good. Money flow looks like it wants to go into the green. This momentum wave still has time to go. This actually looks nice. The RSI's pointed together. It looks like they're melting up. If we get an inward curve on the VWAP, that actually would be super nice. On the 4 hour, of course, we still have more time to go. It looks like that this could really set us up to go higher. VWAP higher, RSI's pointed together higher. Money flow looks like it wants to curve up, so that looks super good on the 4 hour for today. The 12 hour we might get with the next 4 hours here already a green dot, and if else it will be the next candle to give us a green dot. Also here this looks kind of okay, not super strong but kind of okay. With that being said, why have I not entered a long yet? If we're zooming in, and this is on the 12 minute, then you can see that we have a small bearish divergence here on the momentum wave, and here the price is spiking higher. And also on this move from the bottom to this top, let me see, I think that is approximately 3%. Look at that, 3.5%. There has been no retracement and no testing, so I do expect us to go a little bit lower to maybe test some levels before we are going higher. What would be nice would be approximately the 0.5, because it then kind of coincides with this cluster here, and back testing of the 61.8 of the bigger fib retracement. If we are going higher, I do not expect a super big move, so this is not going to be a swing trade for me. On the macro, I already said I am still bearish, but then actually I am looking, let me then take out the bigger fib, looking to maybe get to this golden pocket approximately 17,000. If we make it 17,100, and if we do have the stamina to go higher, then maybe, but I do not think that we are going to go much higher than 17,500. That is also then the golden pocket. The nice thing about this is that you're taking liquidity out of these 2 candles right here, which also is 4 hourly candles. So if we then go higher, take out the liquidity once wick and then just go lower again, that actually would be super nice. Let me see where the value area high now is coming in. Okay, so it is underneath the point of control, so that might be a little bit problematic. Sorry, underneath the golden pocket, but you know what, maybe we do something like this, we zigzag a little bit and then make a divergence and then go lower. That actually would also be nice, and then maybe divergence or on the 4 hourly or on the hourly. Then I will definitely trade again. So far I like this setup that this looks like it's playing out right now. I am not in a long yet, but I am planning on doing it. I first want to see how this very small time frame bearish divergence is playing out. Maybe I will even scalp this as a short. It looks like it's going to be a pretty good setup, because also here the money flow is already coming down on the 5 minute, and also divergence is visible here on the 5 minute, but also here on the 6 minute, which is nice. The 12 minute gave the divergence, and then let me see also the 15 minute, which is super nice. Matter in fact, I think we also just had our bearish retest confirmation. Let me check on a very small time frame. This is the 6 minute. Yeah, this is absolutely perfect. So we also went back to the 78.6, and now it looks like we are coming down. So I am going to wrap up this video, and I think I'm going to short scalp this, and then let's see how far we go to the 0.5, or maybe the golden pocket would be nice to test it and to go higher again, and then maybe we can spike up on the USA session. So that will be super nice, and that will be currently a drop to 0.5 or a high volume node of 1.5%, 1.5 to 2%. That actually will be a very nice scalp trade. So I think I will take that one. Okay, that will be it for now. Again, if you like the content, guys, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click on the bell, click, and also if you don't miss anything, leave me a comment, share the video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, where I post pretty much daily. And see you guys very, very soon again in the next one. Bye bye.